What's up, Rebels? It is CM40 here, and welcome to the 2020 Kid Rock Trump Jr. Rally. On Monday of this week, Kid Rock performed at a Trump Jr. rally, and actually I filmed an intro there, outside in front of the Trump Unity Bridge. This is the first video I've ever shot with this microphone. And when I recorded this intro, because of how loud the music was, I was basically screaming over it, and I didn't realize that the microphone would just cut it out anyways. So I know that for future reference. But I am so excited for you guys to watch this event and everything that I experienced there, because man, let me tell you, it was fantastic. So guys, I'm going to take a minute right now and read you guys this post from Kid Rock. He just posted this on his Instagram as they start playing his music. Perfect. He says, "In case anyone is not clear on how much I support our president, myself and Don Jr. have a rally tonight in Macomb County, Michigan for his re-election. I have been dealing with neck issues for years, from performing like I do for the past 30 years, and spent the morning at the doctor's office getting 2 steroid shots, one in my ass and the other in my neck. It would make sense to cancel my appearance, but no way. I will be there and I will give it my everything I have this evening. That is how important getting POTUS re-elected is to me, and I could care less about the continuous attacks from the left-wing media and etc. that have been going on for 4 years now, and it's the reason I have turned down countless interviews and TV appearances as I refuse to be their clickbait. I am currently filming a career documentary, which I wish I was doing, honestly. I am currently filming a career documentary, and it will address everything on it, on my own terms, to be released next year with new music and schedule one last monster tour, 2021, that will kick my critics in their ass and give all the love I have to the fans. Are you scared? Ain't nobody gonna tell me how to live." New song, which that song he leaked on his Instagram a while ago. I believe it's called Soaring Eagle, I'm not sure, but I remember it started off, "Fuck all you hoes, Detroit till I die, motherfucker." Which actually, this looks like it's gonna be the stage. That's gotta be the stage, there's no way it isn't. Huh. This is gonna be sweet though. It is a very small venue, they were right. This is badass. Yeah, after just talking to some people, there's no way he's not performing here. Because they've got a big stage right there and the stuff for the sound right here. This is gonna be awesome though. Oh shit, that's cool. Yeah, I am like extremely early though. It is only 1:17 and this doesn't start till 7, so I got a long time to just walk around and talk to people, really. But I wanted to get here because, dude, I'm literally right there. I'm parked in the best spot possible. This is awesome. I could stand on top of my car and see the stage perfectly. That's pretty dope. What I would like to do, though, is get an interview with Rob Cordes, who owns the Trump Unity Bridge. I'm gonna go look for him, actually. Hello, Rob. How are you doing today?
I'm pretty good. Tired from traveling.
Yeah, I bet. You run all around the country.
All around the U.S. We've been to 48 states. We just finished a northern USA, West Coast, and southern tour. Went to California and back. We're from Livonia, Michigan. You asked me to tell you about the bridge. I got divorced. My wife got our house, and I got the bridge. All right, and it was the bridge that went over the river. I turned it into the Trump Unity Bridge. When the city said it was an illegal bridge, I couldn't put it in my garden for people to get married on because they didn't have site plan approval. And the judge ordered me to remove it immediately. So then I put wheels on it and turned it into the Trump Unity Bridge. When the Pope said Trump needs to be building bridges, not walls, I woke up one morning and thought that, you know what, with the Pope saying that and the media saying that Trump needs to unite America, I'm going to help him, because my experiences with Donald Trump as a person were amazing. Everything was great. So I said I'm going to back him. He's a good man and a great businessman. I think he'd be great for the country. And his messages were on target. And best of all, he's following through with what he said he was going to do. When's the last time a politician did that?
Exactly.
It's been a long time. So I woke up and I said, I'm on a mission from God by inspiration of Pope Francis saying Trump needs to be building bridges, not walls. I'm going to be the third blues brother and build a mobile unity bridge to promote President Trump and the agenda of the American people. So these are the messages, and right here, this is what happened when we were coming back. This is Tulsa, Oklahoma. Somebody stole the bridge. I was in the checking in the hotel around midnight. I was inside paying for a room. Valerie comes running in and said, somebody jumped in the car and stole it. She was getting the luggage out of the back of the truck, getting it ready so we could come in with some people that she handed bumper stickers to. And the guy took a bumper sticker. So she thought he was like a patriot. And I come outside and look and I go, oh shit. I see the trees and the landscaping all driven over. He drove right through the landscaping, through the trees, not knocking down branches, but he knocked down limbs that were 8-10 inches around. Wow. And it smashed all, as you can see right here, here's a good picture of the smash. It knocked down all the letters. Wow. And all the numbers and signs went off, and laying in the street, broke the Statue of Liberty, smashed signs, landed on the motorcycle. And this is where we found it, about 10 minutes later. After
I remember seeing that picture.
So what happened was, I called 911, was telling them to put an APB out. Then I started hearing sirens going off in the background. I heard more and more and more. So I knew something was up. I said, I hope that's for the Unity Bridge. And I was just really hoping. And a guy from the hotel says, let me take you to it. So we went out in his car, chased after him. When we arrived there, the guy had driven over the median in the center of the road, spun around, jackknife it. The trailer broke off. He slammed on the brakes of the car, jumped out. The trailer rolled in and smashed into the side of the car. Somebody on the side of the road pulled their gun out, opened fire, and said, stop or I'll shoot. He boom, boom, unloaded the clip, boom, 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 boom. And then the cops tackled and arrested him. And then we were stuck there for a couple hours getting the tow truck, getting it back to the hotel. And the hotel was generous and gracious, let us put in their parking lot. And then patriots across the community came out and helped us get it fixed and roadworthy. We had welders.
That's awesome.
You see there's new chains, new jacks, new trailer hitch.
Wow, you can see some of the damage.
These things had to be re-welded on and painted.
Wow.
The stabilization brackets. This is stuff that, I'm willing to say, I'm willing to drive around with this because this is a representation of the Democratic Party of Joe Biden's America. Like I said, come on over here, let's look at these messages. All right. Both sides. But it's like, all lives matter. So if you have red blood, your life matters. Even if you're a Democrat, criminal, or a liberal, your life does matter, but we hope you can get the education so you can become a better person and make better choices. Yep. Immigration, that's why we have the Statue of Liberty on the float. Come on in to America, come in legally, fill out the paperwork. Hey, Bernie Sanders, Biden, Clinton, Schumer, Pelosi, if you really care about the people, help them fill out the paperwork. Exactly. Teach them, educate them. Come on, quit shooting your mouth off and not doing what you say you're going to do. Be more like Trump. Then you go to the Constitution, our American culture, we want to preserve that, preserve our Second Amendment. We want products made in the USA, and we want to use people from around the world.
And we encountered that issue not having the respirators made in the USA, which was the whole reason for this quote-unquote lockdown, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is they wanted to shut it down for 14 days.
And then they didn't even need the respirators. They're finding out that the respirators weren't the key to it. For some people it was, but they didn't even use them all.
And the virus, they said, was going to be so bad, and they were going to have everybody on respirators. That's why we shut down, was 14 days to quarantine so that we could get the hospitals prepared for respirators. Right, now we're like, what, 150 days into 14 days of quarantine? It's bullshit.
Right, so here's what's going on. If you're a Democrat, if you're a liberal, if you're young and you're not a little bit, you're learning and growing up, the major network news, the Democrats, Nancy Pelosi, Schumer, Biden, Harris, and all these people, they think that you are so ignorant and so stupid that you'll believe everything they say. They believe Schumer, Pelosi, Biden, and the Democrats and liberals think that you're not smart enough to see the transparency of what reality is. They think you're stupid, all right? So are you? Okay, are you people stupid? Are you ignorant? Well, then stand up.
Exactly.
Stand up for your community, show up, get at the polls and vote. Let them know that you care about your country, you care about your life, and think about this. President Trump became a very wealthy, rich billionaire, right? He's wealthy, right? So be it, he earned it. But he had to grow his business dealing with the Democrats, the Republicans, the liberals, and the conservatives. So he had to work both sides of the fence. What did the Democrats do their whole life? Democrat values, steal from the people. What did the Republicans do? Conservative values. Everybody came into politics poor, most of them, and went out rich. Yep. Trump came in wealthy, he's going to stay wealthy. If he gets richer, we get richer, because he can't get richer if we don't have good paying jobs.
Exactly.
Look at the stock market. So I'm just talking to you, giving you reasons of common sense, things to look at. I'm going to vote Trump. Yep. So I'm Rob Cordes, Livonia, Michigan. Today I'm here in Harrison Township, and I know where I'm at. Sleepy Joe, do you know where you're at? God bless you and God bless America.
So here's some of the stuff that I got. So if you want to donate to the Trump Unity Bridge, that's where you can do it, TrumpUnityBridge.com. I got tons of these Trump bills. Got a couple Trump koozies. The Trump the Sequel 2020, Make Liberals Cry Again, Don't Tread on Me. This Trump 2020 button, which I'm gonna put on my bag. And then this badass Trump 2020, no more bullshit bandana. This, I wish it was on this side too, but that's fucking badass though. I'm excited for this. That was a fantastic interview with Rob Cordes, who owns the Trump Unity Bridge. I'm gonna come on over here and get a little bit of an update on what they're doing. Looks like people are just chilling. We're getting the flag up right now. It is confirmed Kid Rock will be performing, so that is gonna be pretty badass.
Trump 2020!
Fox 2 is even here. Maybe I'll try and get an interview on there. That'd be pretty awesome.
Why did you come out today?
I'm just here because I'm a massive Kid Rock fan. I look up to him. I love Kid Rock's music, and he's an inspiration to me, and I love this country as well, so it's pretty great to see him doing what he can do for the country. He's standing up for what he believes in.
Can Kid Rock convince an undecided voter to vote for Donald Trump?
I don't think so, because of the fact that well, maybe, I don't know, because I think if someone cares about their country, they're going to do what they feel is right, regardless of what anybody tells them to do. Well, that was pretty cool. I got a little interview on Fox News. Oh, doing some sound check. I'll keep you guys updated on what ends up happening. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, I'll get the chance to meet Kid Rock. That'd be awesome. There's Jimmy Bones.
She wasn't me.
They charged it already.
I think that's the song. Jimmy.
We need 5,000 people in Detroit to do
Ooh, what I learned out on the road.
Must sign up. 5,000 people. You gotta go there and try to intimidate everybody. There's so much fraud. So much cheating going on.
Exit that the John James.
Two.
got the polarity wrong. Somebody flip on that?
He's here. Woo!
Yep. It's round. I'm scared to see you. My ass shocked. It's got a little, not bad. 2. You got a body like a devil, and you smell like sex. I can tell you're in trouble, still obsessed. Girl, you know you're so hot, I won't get you wrong. Can you turn my vocals in these little monitors? Say you're so hot, I want to get you stoned. Hell no, little girl, I don't want to be your friend. I want to love you tonight, never gonna see you again. Making love to you tonight, never gonna see you again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're like the kiss of death, the hand of fate. I can tell your trouble, I still won't taste. Hey baby, know you're so hot, I'll get you alone. Girl, you know you're so hot, I wanna get you stoned. Hey, no little girl, I don't wanna be your friend. I wanna love you tonight like I'm never gonna see you again. Hey baby, know you're so hot, I'll get you alone. Hey girl, you know you're so hot, I wanna get you stoned. Oh no, hey, no little girl, I don't wanna be your friend. Woo! I wanna love you tonight, I'm never gonna see you again. Yeah! They love you tonight, so I'm never gonna see you again. I walk that line because you love me, and I wanna be your Johnny Cash. Johnny Cash. Sun is shining on Kentucky. They're drinking bourbon by the bags. I walk that line because you love me, and I wanna be your Johnny Cash. Johnny Cash. Lay down in that bluegrass. Lay down in that bluegrass.
Wow.
Just show me how you guys rehearse all something. It's a lot of
Damn, I'm gonna kill a whole battery on sound check.
it was 1980.
At least we know how the songs is gonna play. Wait a minute.
Well, there's a new day on the horizon, and
I know you're the one. My tongue is chasing, my eyes are wide. I can see paradise. I've been down here once or twice, that I never seen it look so nice.
I tried to get him on video, but Robert James, his son, is here too. There he is over there.
Yes.
Al, you got Jimmy's mic up for the harp? Well, I'm back in
Funky cowboy.
He's off the boat, motherfucker.
Kid! Yo, kid! Yo, kid!
just some good old boys, never meaning no harm. Beats all you ever saw.